Bitcoin ETFs are a type of ETF that track the price of Bitcoin. They allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without having to buy and store the cryptocurrency themselves. Bitcoin ETFs have grown in popularity for several reasons. First, they provide an easy way for investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without the need to understand the complexities of blockchain technology or how to securely store digital assets. Second, Bitcoin ETFs are traded on traditional stock exchanges, meaning they can be bought and sold during regular trading hours, just like any other stock. This provides a level of familiarity and convenience for traditional investors. Now, investing in Bitcoin ETFs is not without its risks. The value of Bitcoin is known to be highly volatile, meaning the price can fluctuate wildly in short periods of time. This volatility can lead to significant gains but also substantial losses. While Bitcoin has been around for a while, it's still a relatively new asset class, and regulatory uncertainties exist. However, despite these risks, many investors are drawn to Bitcoin ETFs because of the potential for high returns. Bitcoin's value has experienced significant growth over the past decade, and some believe this trend will continue. In addition, Bitcoin ETFs offer diversification. Since Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies often move independently of traditional asset classes, they can provide a useful hedge against downturns in other parts of your portfolio. It's important to note that, like all investments, Bitcoin ETFs should be approached with a clear understanding of your personal investment goals and risk tolerance. Now that we have a basic understanding of Bitcoin ETFs, we are ready to explore some of the most popular Bitcoin ETFs on the market. First up, we have the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, also known as BETO. This ETF is a trailblazer in the Bitcoin ETF space, being the first Bitcoin-linked ETF to be approved by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. BETO has been designed to provide investors with access to Bitcoin through a traditional brokerage account, meaning you don't have to worry about the complexities of buying and storing Bitcoin directly. The ProShares team, known for their innovation and expertise, manages this ETF. They have a proven track record in the ETF industry, adding an extra layer of confidence. What sets BETO apart is its strategy of investing in Bitcoin futures contracts, which allows it to track the performance of Bitcoin without the need of holding the cryptocurrency. That's BETO for you, a solid choice for those looking to get exposure to Bitcoin through an ETF. Next on our list are the VanEck Bitcoin Strategy ETF, or XBTF, and the ProShares Short Bitcoin ETF, fondly known as BTI. These two Bitcoin ETFs are quite different, but each brings its own unique approach to the table. Let's start with XBTF. It's managed by VanEck, a company with a long-standing reputation in the financial world. XBTF offers investors exposure to Bitcoin's price movements through futures contracts. So, instead of owning Bitcoin directly, you own a piece of a fund that's betting on Bitcoin's future price. It's a strategy that can provide robust returns, especially in a bullish market. And with VanEck's experienced team at the helm, XBTF is a solid choice for investors looking for a managed approach to Bitcoin investing. Now let's flip the coin and talk about BITI. This ProShares ETF is designed for investors who want to bet against Bitcoin. Yes, you heard that right. BITI provides short exposure to Bitcoin, meaning it aims to profit when Bitcoin's price falls. It's a unique strategy in the world of Bitcoin ETFs, and it's not for the faint of heart. But if you're an investor who believes Bitcoin's price is due for a downturn, or if you're just looking to hedge your bets, BITI could be an intriguing option. Both XBTF and BITI are managed by seasoned teams. VanEck has a history of navigating the choppy waters of the financial markets, while ProShares is known for its innovative ETF solutions. But their strategies couldn't be more different. XBTF is for those bullish on Bitcoin, while BITI offers a way to profit from a bearish outlook. So whether you're a steadfast Bitcoin believer or a cautious skeptic, there's a Bitcoin ETF out there for you. And with XBTF and BITI, you have two more options to consider in your investment journey. Now let's take a look at the Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy ETF, BTF, and the Simplify Bitcoin Strategy Plus Inc. ETF Maxi. These are two fascinating players in the Bitcoin ETF space, each with distinct features and strategies that set them apart. Starting with BTF, the Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy ETF. This fund offers a unique approach to Bitcoin investing. Managed by a team of seasoned professionals, BTF aims to provide exposure to Bitcoin's price movements by investing in financial instruments that in combination provide similar exposure. BTF has shown consistent performance, making it a solid choice for those looking for a less volatile way to invest in Bitcoin. Now moving on to Maxi, the Simplified Bitcoin Strategy Plus Inc. ETF. Maxi offers a different approach to Bitcoin investing. It's not just a Bitcoin ETF, but a Bitcoin Plus fund. The plus in its name represents its strategy to enhance returns by using options. This strategy can potentially offer higher returns during Bitcoin's bullish periods. However, it's crucial to remember that with higher potential returns comes higher risk. The management team at Maxi has a strong background in complex financial instruments, which is essential for managing an options-heavy fund like this. The fund's performance has been promising, making it an intriguing choice for those with a higher risk appetite. So how do these two funds differ? While both BTF and Maxi offer exposure to Bitcoin, their strategies are quite different. BTF focuses on providing similar exposure to Bitcoin's price movements, while Maxi aims to magnify returns through options. This difference could make one fund more appealing than the other, depending on your investment goals and risk tolerance. In summary, both BTF and Maxi offer unique ways to gain exposure to Bitcoin. Whether you're a cautious investor or a risk taker, these funds offer interesting options for your investment portfolio. Last but not least, we have the Global X Blockchain and Bitcoin Strategy ETF, BITS, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF, GBTC, and the iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT. Starting with BITS, this fund aims to track the performance of companies actively involved in the blockchain technology and Bitcoin ecosystem. What sets BITS apart is its focus on firms that are not only invested in Bitcoin but also in the broader blockchain technology. This provides a unique diversification strategy offering exposure to the transformative potential of blockchain tech, beyond just Bitcoin. Next up, we have the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, or GBTC. Unlike the other ETFs we've discussed, GBTC is a trust, which means it holds Bitcoin directly. By purchasing shares of GBTC, investors indirectly own a piece of the Bitcoin that the trust holds. GBTC has been around for a while, making it one of the most well-established and trusted ways to gain exposure to Bitcoin, especially for those who prefer not to handle cryptocurrencies directly. Last on our list is the iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT. This is a newly minted player in the Bitcoin ETF scene. IBIT's approach is to track the price of Bitcoin directly. It offers a simple and efficient way for investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without the need to understand the complexities of buying and storing the actual cryptocurrency. Each of these options, BITS, GBTC, and IBIT, offers investors a unique way to get involved in the Bitcoin market. BITS provides a broader approach encompassing both Bitcoin and blockchain companies. GBTC offers a more direct route to Bitcoin by holding the cryptocurrency itself. And IBT provides a straightforward way to track the price of Bitcoin. BITS, GBTC, and IBIT round up our list of Bitcoin ETFs. Each offers a unique approach to investing in Bitcoin. There you have it, a brief overview of some of the most popular Bitcoin ETFs on the market. We've journeyed through the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, the VanEck Bitcoin Strategy ETF, and even the ProShares Short Bitcoin ETF for those who are feeling a bit more adventurous. We've also touched on the Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy ETF, the Simplified Bitcoin Strategy Plus Inc. ETF, and 3 other fascinating options: the Global X Blockchain and Bitcoin Strategy ETF, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF, and the iShares Bitcoin Trust. Each of these ETFs offers unique opportunities and risks, and it's up to you to determine which one aligns best with your investment goals. Remember, it's essential to do your own thorough research before diving into any investment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investment insights, and as always, happy investing.